this. Look at this. Look at this. Ooh, 24 inches, baby. 24 inches. It's giving 26.
You and I know you ain't about that life. Drop with me
now. Am I not giving Chiquita banana? And if you don't know who that is, you're young. And God bless you. I'm your girl, Intisar Eleanor. Thank you so much for joining me again. I am back with a unit, okay? This is not supposed to be long, and I might even talk you all the way through it. I have a unit from ISEE Hair. First of all, I don't know why I love to give y'all a note when I say ISEE Hair. I do not know why I like to do that, but it's my ting, okay? This is your girlfriend's thing. So I'm coming through with a new unit from ISEE Hair. I'm super excited about this. This is a Yaki Straight unit. Let me pull her on out. I have no room on my beauty table. Like, if you've seen this, you would be so annoyed with me. I just love ISEE Hair's packaging. Sorry about that. It's just so stinking cute. Look at that, the ISEE logo. Okay. Yeah. And there she is, the wig. So this is a 24-inch Yaki Straight Wig. This unit at 180% density is currently going for just around $250 on ISEEhair.com. So not too bad. I already am obsessed. I didn't even get her all the way out the pack. Hold on. Get into that lace. Look at that. Now that's fresh out the pack, okay? This is an M-cap wig. She's supposed to be wear and go. We're going to put her to the test. This is the cap construction. This is an M-cap wig. So it's a 9x6 closure, okay? So get into that. You get all that parting space back there. There are two little combs on the side, and these are like the flimsy combs, okay? The ones that'll probably pop out. One in the back. The biggest thing here is this band, which is super duper important to make sure our wig stays up on our mammy tapping head. In Vegas, it's like too hot to glue your wig down. Honestly, I've been wearing my hair in these two braids that I got in my head right now in the streets. I've been just out in the world. Y'all see how teeny your girlfriend is? Jesus Christ. So I'm just brown and bronze. So this unit, ooh, that was too tight, y'all. We want it to be tight, but not that tight. Let's see. I can loosen her up a bit. Okay. Y'all, this is so tight. Done. I'm gonna give y'all a little love, sexy bitch. Y'all, I didn't do anything to this unit. Anything. The hair. The hair. This Yaki textured hair. Oh my goodness. It's stunning. It's like really, really nice. The lace is just... Okay, I'm gonna keep it simple. I think that we shouldn't give her too much. We are gonna do something to her, so do not fret. I think I wanna curl her. I mean, look at how beautiful this is. Jesus Christ. Let me sit all the way up so you guys can see me. Oy. Here's my middle frame. There you go. Look at that. Look at the hair. Okay. What can we do? We could even do one of these. Girl, I'm obsessed. The texture of this hair, guys, it almost... It's very Yaki Straight. So it really does give you the idea of like your own textured hair, just straightened out, like permed hair. You know what I mean? So let me, I love the way this, I don't want to take too much from how beautiful the lace is. I am going to go through and darken it up. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a liquid one today, my NARS. I'm just going to apply her on my hand. Like so, like that. Use my, okay, and I'm just going to blot it out. And then I'm just going to like, let's see if I like it like this. Did y'all see that disappear? Am I the only one who saw it? You guys, am I the only one who saw it? Now this unit is very secure on my head. Oh my God. This unit is, okay, overexposure, slow down. This unit is very, very secure on my head, okay? Like, I really do love what they're doing with this unit right now. I'm just going to straighten her out a bit. This is her fresh out. Fresh out, nothing done, okay? Like, we just vibing. We just pulled her out the pack. If you're a young woman who is very into beginner-friendly styles, this one is for you, 1000%. I want to show you guys the goodies before I get into the styling. Okay, this time around, not too much. We got our caps. And then we got our little ISEE hair envelope with the extra wig band. You can never get enough of these, okay? As well as combs. Another thing you can't get enough of, you can always sew them in. And then we also got this ISEE Hair Effortless Beauty Wear and Go wig. Now the M cap wig is maximum lace size, minimal knots, it matches the ear space, movable combs, which is why they almost feel like, okay, this thing gonna slide about. This comb is gonna like fall out. That's because you can put them where you want to. It mimics the forehead contour, which to me, it has done. Like, absolutely. And I just really, really... ISEE hair. Are you serious? Like, are we serious? Okay. What am I going to do? I feel like she's... Like, look at me. I feel like a Disney princess, which is why I'm kind of trying to figure out what I'm about to do with this. All right, my loves, let's dig on into this ISEE M Cap 9x6 Wear and Go Yaki wig. So this is Yaki hair, guys, okay? And she is giving yakety yak. I might see you again. This unit is 24 inches, 180% density, and she's currently going for $252 on ISEEhair.com. Now, I am really, really into this unit. I was a little bit skeptical about the texture of the hair at first, but baby, when I tell you, I don't think I ever want a unit that's not Yaki straight. It looks like it is my hair. I went out like 3 times and people were like, is this your hair? Like, your hair is stunning. And I'm like, girl, and I lifted it up because I am transparent. I'm a transparent girl. I'm a girl's girl, okay? So this unit, I'm just going on through and straightening her out a bit. She just needed what I thought was a little bit of heat because I just wanted to make sure that she was as stunning as I thought she was. But mother is absolutely positively given. I'm going to shut my mouth and I'm going to give you more details on the other side. Okay, so I was going to, I really want to give this unit the respect that it deserves, if I'm being honest. ISEE Hair has done it again. This M cap wig is... Now, let me tell you something. This M cap wig is a 9 out of 10. A 9 out of 10. And where I would probably take the 1 point off is that although the texture of the hair is yaki, when I have on a yaki synthetic wig, even though it's bone straight, it looks good fresh out the pack, it kind of felt the same. Like I put heat on it because I needed to know. I needed to know. And it is 100% human hair. It is absolutely beautiful because that shit is on 455 degrees, okay? It would have burnt up plastic, okay? It would have been done, and it was not. So it passed that test. It's absolutely stunning. Stunning. It's a 9 out of 10. The only thing that would have made it a 10 is if they only made it better if they used BioSick, if I'm being honest. You know what I mean? So all I did was put a little bit of heat on my head using my Indie straightening comb. Oops, sorry. I also used my Hot Tools professional flat irons, okay? These will both be linked in my Amazon shop. This unit, the lace and the ease. Ladies, we have to get into the ease of things. It's just too much. Like, this is insane how phenomenally seamless this lace is. Like, that's completely glueless pudding. Completely. This hair did not shed, it did not tangle. I feel like Pocahontas or Ananda, or basically what I'm saying, I'm feeling like it's coming up out the scalp pudding. I wanted to style this, and I also was like, I'm not going to disrespect this wig like that. Like, I felt like it would have been disrespectful of me to add anything to this unit. It is absolutely superb. You would be crazy not to go to ISEE Hair right, mammy, tap now, and jump on this. You'd be nuts. Nuts, okay? This is everything. I want y'all to go to the description box. I want you to click on the mammy tap link below, all right? And I want you to go and look. Look at this. I just pulled this out the mammy tap pack. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Ooh, 24 inches, baby. 24 inches. It's giving 26. Let me turn around. And then I'm shutting up and going home. Okay. Listen, baby, I've done it. Thank you so much for joining me again. I'm your girl, Inventor Eleanor. Get into ISEE Hair. She stinks. She's nasty. I see you. You see me. I see hair. Okay? Thank you so much for joining. I'm your girl, Inventor Eleanor. But still subscribe to this channel, like this video, comment, and I'll see you beautiful mother jumpers later. Bye.